Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a step-by-step makeup look for beginners. This is the look we're going to be creating, so if you'd like to see how I achieved it, then keep on watching. So first we're going to start with the Budesco facial spray, which is going to help with brighten up the skin. Then we're going to go into moisturizing. We just got to make sure our skin is perfectly moisturized. Up next, we're going to be going in with our primer. I'm using this one from RImmel London. Up next, we're going to be going in with foundation. I'm using my shade of Revlon and Nuban Beauty. And I'm just going to be spreading it across my entire face like this. And then I'm going to be blending it in. Make sure everything is well blended. And then we're going to be moving over to concealer. So we're going to be using this Nuban Beauty concealer. This is a little bit closer to my skin tone. So I'm going to be putting it at the outer sides of the places where I'm going to actually highlight with this concealer. So I'm using this concealer in Fawn. It's similar to LA Girl, but I think it's Beauty. Yeah, I'm just going to put it across my nose as well, and then I'm going to go ahead and blend it out. I'm going to blend out the outer areas first because I want the outer areas to blend in with the rest of my face. So yeah, and I'm going to go in with the beauty blender. I'm just going to blend in the inner areas, which are a bit lighter. So you're just going to go ahead and blend everything in. Now next we're going to be going into setting powder. So right now we're going to be setting, not baking. Difference is that setting, you're just going to be, placing the powders on places where you want to highlight. You're not going to be packing the powders on. You're going to pack a lot of it on. Okay. Up next we're going to be contouring. I really don't do much with contouring. Let's put a little bit, and then we're going to move over to blush. Oh my god, I love. I was trying not to put a lot because I know that a lot of beginners don't really like a lot of makeup, so I'm just going easy with the blush, but I really do like blush. Up next, I'm going to be using this bronzer. When I tell you guys that this bronzer is life, oh, I love it so much. Basically, it just, makes your entire face, just puts your entire face together, basically, and it just bronzes up, gives you this bronze look. Yeah, and then up next, I'm going to be going in with my shade of powder, and I'm just going to be putting it all over my face. Yeah. Also, with the bronzer that I just used, I'm going to be using it to contour my nose. A lot of people don't really like strong contours, but it depends on you and what you like. So if you like a really strong contour, then you could go ahead and do this. But then if you want something subtle, then you could always use a lighter shade. I mean a lighter shade than this, but of course a darker shade for contour. Up next, we're going to be doing our brows. I'm just using this brow gel. Every single product I use in this video is going to be down in the description box, so please do not forget to check that out. Yeah, so I'm just going to be drawing my brows. I don't like really full brows, to be honest, so I'm just going to use this brush, and then I'm just going to conceal underneath the brows. I like my brows concealed a little bit lighter than my actual, skin tone. So yeah. After this, I'm just going to blend everything in, and then I'm going to apply a little bit of eyeshadow. It's just basically like my normal base shadow, honestly, like my transition shade. That's what I use when I'm going for a very basic look. So yeah, I'm just going to be putting this all over my eyelids. Up next, we're going to be dusting the powder that we put previously off our face. Then I'm going to be brushing up my eyebrows as well, just to put everything in place. You can decide to leave your makeup like this if you do not want lashes. And then we're just going to put some setting spray And I'm going to highlight. So personally, I like highlighting. It depends on my mood, to be honest. I don't highlight all the time, but for this video I'm going to be highlighting as well, just a little bit. Up next, I'm going to be drawing my eyeliner. You can always draw a wing if you want. I personally prefer wings. Then up next, I'm going to be fixing my lashes. This is also totally optional. These lashes literally brought out this look, okay? Up next, I'm going to be lining my lips. So I'm just going to be using this lip. This is actually lipstick, not lip liner, but yeah, it works as well. So we're going to be doing that, and I'm just going to be using this nude shade, which is a concealer. And then I'm just going to be applying my gloss. Ooh, yeah. So that is all for this look. Oh my gosh, I totally love how my makeup came out. If you guys enjoyed it, let me know in the comment section if you want to see any other thing, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.